Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful handbag, crochet handbag ideas, and I can help you with crochet pattern. What kind of crochet pattern are you looking for? Please provide more details or specific or particular project you have in mind. And crochet handbags. Crocheting our handbags, flower handbags can be a fun and creative ideas, and here are a basic pattern to get you started on simple crochet handbags like different and beautiful ideas. Feel free to customize your handbags with different stitches, pattern, colors, or embellishment to make it unique. Enjoy your crocheting and Crocheting handbags allows for endless creativity. Here are some ideas and varieties you can explore.